am I so sick? Someone! Help me!
What, Daddy?
What?
What?
I'm so sick. Tell me why.
Because you ate from the sewer. What do you think?
Sewers?
Yeah.
I'm not informed that. Who never informed me that?
Well, we didn't see you until the news told us about your eating from the sewer.
Disgusting.
But you did it.
I was choked that time, okay?
You ate it.
I gotta take a dump.
Oh, look, doggy.
What is this?
Doggy.
What is this?
Doggy.
Don't touch them. You don't know where they come from. They come from my dump. They come from my dump.
Oh, what?
This one also. Hey! You slingshot it.
Oh.
I need a doctor! Doctor! What's up? What's the situation?
Whoa.
Well, I've been sick, and I keep on pooping random things, like a sword and 2 dogs. Wait, my sons? Where do you get that? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna give you a shot.
Time to give you a shot.
Get away! I know how to use this person.
Get out the way, Pikachu. Now time for your turn. Oh, okay, so you begin to feel more better in just 1 minute. Don't worry. And I'll just take the sword. One minute later. Okay, you're good now.
Now I need a diaper. I need a diaper. Diapers! Sons! Diapers! Ow, son!
Diapers.
Sons! I'll put it on for you, Daddy.
I can put it on for myself.
No, you don't know how to.
I'm too big for this.
You're too fat. You're too fat.
He's too fat. I can't barely move.
Okay, whatever. Now I'm okay. Okay. My job here is done.
Now you fart now.
Ew. Ew, he took it wrong. Ew.
I don't eat this anymore.
Ew.
Or this. Or this.
Here,
I mean, I'm so sick.
Diapers.
Okay.
Diapers.
Diapers.
Okay, this is the end of the